welcome to another episode of NXT vs AEW Ratings Report. And I'm your host with the most, Y chromosome 99. Let's get on with this shit, shall we? All right. NXT possibly. Getting ahead of myself. I was reading the wrong part. I'm gonna cover that little part in this. Okay. AEW gets over 9,000 views. Unopposed, of course. Over 9,000. Holy shit. They received 928,000 of viewers. 928,000 viewers AEW has received this week. Congratulations on AEW receiving that many. Okay, let's continue. This is so fucking good. It's called Werther's. Delicioso. All right, let's move on. So AEW receives over 9,000 viewers, 928,000 of them to be exact. NXT was on Tuesday, called Super Tuesdays, not Wednesday. And they drew 849,000 viewers. 849,000. That is not bad at all. Not bad. That's really good for NXT. 849,000. Both shows were unopposed this week. However, AEW gets the win with 79,000 more viewers. NXT has gained over 800,000 viewers, making it the first time ever to gain over 800,000 viewers for 3 weeks in a row since last year's build to Survivor Series in 2019. Congratulations, NXT. Congratulations. And AEW as well. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. It's a weird sound my toilet's making. The pipes in the toilet. It's kind of eerie too. That's why I was tripping. Anyway, with this great viewership happening, reports of WWE possibly moving NXT to from Wednesday nights is in the talks. I think they are going to do it. They should do it. It will benefit NXT greatly. They're receiving much more viewers because they're not going head to head with AEW. So, officially, AEW has won the war. But both companies will see an increase in viewership. It's okay. You lost the war, NXT. Wednesday nights seems to belong to AEW. You got your ass whooped too many times. It's time to stop with the Wednesday night war shit. Go to Tuesdays. You are faring better. NXT is AEW as a result on Wednesday nights are faring much better. I mean, WWE may not like the fact that NXT is not reaching that 9,000 mark. However, there is still hope for NXT. They can't, too, reach the 9,000 mark. Easy. So, I'm all for it. I hope they move them to Tuesday nights or what have you. AEW stays on Wednesday nights, so you got Monday wrestling if you care to watch fucking Raw. Then you have NXT on Tuesdays, and Wednesdays you have AEW. Thursdays you're off. Nothing on Thursday except for Impact Wrestling. And then you have Friday Night SmackDown. Fox special. Yeah, so it goes like this. Sundays, nothing. Unless it's a pay-per-view. Mondays, Raw. Tuesdays, NXT. Wednesdays, AEW. Thursdays, Impact Wrestling. And Friday Night SmackDown. So, yeah. That's how many days of wrestling? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's 5 weeks. That's 5 days of wrestling a week. And if you don't watch Impact Wrestling, that's 4 days. If you fucking can't stand Raw and SmackDown, that's only 2 days of wrestling you have. So yeah. Wrestling weeks, baby. Wrestling weeks. And if you don't catch it, you can always watch the recording, watch the clips, results on YouTube, WWE.com. I think I'm assuming that AEW has a website too. So yeah, you go to AEW.com. You know, get your results and shit like that. You know what to do. Yeah. So I'm all for it, man. Like I said, Wednesday nights, it benefits both companies if they have their own night. So that fucking sound again. So yeah, happy for both companies. Yeah, I couldn't find really any wrestling news this week. I mean, I found a couple of them, but I'm like, The only thing that interests me was the Roman Reigns return, and he was revealed to be working with Paul Heyman. A lot of people marked out when Roman Reigns returned last Friday. Paul Heyman was revealed to be his manager, I'm assuming. And I gotta say, Roman Reigns looked pretty good. And yeah, you fuckers marked out for him. And the question is Roman a heel? Not like he hasn't been for 4 to 5, 6 fucking years. He's been a heel base since 2014. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. He's been a heel for like 5 fucking years. Probably about 4.5 at the most, because when he had that fucking leukemia shit going on, which a lot of fucking idiots thought it was fake, which is fucking heartless of you. I knew WWE is fucking a lot of things, but they wouldn't fake no illness. Not like that. I just couldn't buy that they would do that. So Roman Reigns was basically a heel his whole career. Crowds, the masses couldn't stand him. Even though WWE was trying to push Reigns on us to be the next fucking Superman and shit, but we didn't want to fucking hear it. We didn't like it. So he got booed, which made him a heel. Is he going to be heel this going forward? I doubt it, since WWE has crowd control now, which I mean by that is that they have control of the crowd sounds. They can make it cheer now, because the sound that you hear on WWE programming now are manufactured. So I doubt Roman Reigns is going to be a heel. He's going to be cheered every fucking chance that they get. Hell, when he first appeared on SmackDown last week, he was fucking cheered. And when Paul Heyman was revealed, he was cheered even more. They're going to keep that shit up. This is WWE after a while. They always wanted Roman Reigns to be this fucking good guy. And that's what they're going for, if you ask me. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But that's what I don't see him becoming a heel. So if Roman Reigns is going to be a fucking fan favorite, Paul Heyman will follow. WWE, man. Whew. So heels and baby faces will will no longer be the decision of the crowds. It will be the decision of WWE officials, such as Kevin Dunn. This man should have been done years ago, as a matter of fact. So yeah. With that being said, this is Wild Chromosome. Sign the fuck out. Peace and love. Good health to you all and be safe out there. And this has been another weekly report of AEW versus NXT with wrestling news.